Hello, grade 2 students. How are you? Are you good? Are you okay? I'm okay too. Are you excited for our lesson for today? Are you? Okay. Our lesson for today is all about telling time. Telling time. Let's have our vocabulary. In the morning. Repeat after me. In the morning. In the afternoon. Repeat after me. In the afternoon. In the evening. Repeat after me. In the evening. Very good. Morning. Let's spell morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Afternoon. Let's spell afternoon. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N. Afternoon. Evening. Let's spell evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Evening. Okay, let's have another set of vocabularies. O'clock. Repeat after me. O'clock. Let's spell o'clock. O-C-L-O-C-K. O'clock. R. Repeat after me. R. Let's spell R. H-O-U-R. R. Minute. Repeat after me. Minute. Let's spell minute. M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute. Very good. Okay. Here we see our clock. 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 Notice the blue hand and notice the red hand. The blue hand is short. Short. The red hand is long. Long. Now, let's determine what are the names of the short and long hands of the clock. The blue short hand is the R hand. R hand. The red long hand is the minute hand. Minute hand. Again, the blue short hand is the R hand, and the red long hand is the minute hand. When we look at the clock, we read it as in the form hour and then minute. Hour, minute. So here, look where the R hand is pointing. What number is it pointing? Number 9. And look where the minute hand is pointing. 12. But we don't put it as 12, instead 0. So here, the R is 9 and the minute is 0, 0. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Let's answer a question. What time is it? What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Okay, let's tell the time. Here we have our short hand, R hand. And here we have our minute hand. R hand, minute hand. Let's follow this format, R, minute. The R hand is pointing at what number? Number 2. And the minute hand is pointing at what? Okay, here, this part here is 0. When it comes to minutes, this is 0. So let's reveal the time. R is 2 and the minute is 0, 0. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Let's answer our question. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Easy? Okay, let's have another example. Our hand, our minute hand, our minute. Our R hand is pointing at 6 and our minute hand is 0. So we write it as 6 for our R and 0, 0 for our minute. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Let's answer the question. What time is it? What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. Very good. Another example. Our hour hand and our minute hand are pointing on the same direction. Okay. So here, our hour hand is pointing at 12 R, and our minute hand is still 0. So the time here is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Let's answer our question. What time is it? What time is it? Good. It's 12 o'clock. Okay, so here's the summary of our 12-hour system. Here we see our time in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. We read the time as here. The hour hand is pointing at 8, and the minute is automatically 0. So we read it as it is 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's go to writing the time. We write it as 8 and then 0, 0. Let's go to afternoon. The hour hand is pointing to number 4. Let's read the time. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And we write the time as 4, 0, and then 0. Let's go to evening. The hour hand is pointing to number 7. So we read the time. It is 7 o'clock in the evening. And we write it as 7 and then 0, 0. Do you understand? Very good. It's very easy. Okay, let's practice. What time is it? What time is it? First, let's have the clock here. What time is it? What time is it? What number? It's 11 o'clock. Very good. And then we write it as 11 and then 2 zeros. Okay, next we have, oh, the answer is already there. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. And we write it as 7 and then 0, 0. Here. What time is it? What number? What number? It's 9 o'clock. Very good. And we write it as 9, and then followed by 2 zeros. Let's go down. What time is it? What number? It's okay, 8 o'clock. Good. And we write it as 8 followed by 2 zeros. Next, what time is it? What number is the R hand pointing? It's 5 o'clock. Very, very good, na? And we write it as 5 followed by 2 zeros. Last one. What time is it? Where is the short R hand pointing? What number? Okay, very good. It's 3 o'clock. And we write it as 3 and followed by 2 zeros. Did you get everything correct? Is the lesson easy? Did you enjoy our lesson? Okay, very good and good job. See you in our next video topic. Bye-bye.